So far, this is what we have as a program. We have a name1 whose value is Sam, and we would like to display the name1. So let's compile it, and then we're going to make some changes. We just want to make sure that everything is the way it should be. We just have a warning that we have declared name2 but have not yet used it. That's perfectly fine. We'll just simply call the program, call chapter 8 example 7, and just say it's the name1 is Sam. So if you have this warning that variable name2 declared but not referred to, that's fine. Well, as soon as we start using it, that warning will go away. Now we're going to make some changes to this program. In name1, we'll still have Sam. We're going to reduce the size to 3. For name2, we're going to increase the size to 30, and the value will be so what we will do is, instead of displaying name1, we're going to change this to message and change the output to name2. And before we make any changes to name2, we will going to run it to make sure that the name2 is displaying what we have given it as a value right now. When you compile this time, you will see that it now complains about name1 because we have not yet used it. We have only declared it. And you can see that XXX is father of Carl. Now we will going to replace, by using substring function, the value of XXX with that of Sam. So we will going to use change variable command. And this is the short function for substring. I would like to replace in name2 the first 3 letters with the value coming from name1. So I would like to replace the first 3 letters, starting from position number 1, 3 letters in name2 with that of the values in name1. Now let's save the changes and compile it. And then you will see the warning goes away now. And now let's call chapter 8 example 7 to see that XXX is now replaced with Sam. Okay, now let's increase the size of name1 to 10. And let's change the name from Sam to Samuel. We will keep rest of the logic exactly the same. And now when you compile this program, it will compile just the same way as before. But now when you run it, you will see that it still says Sam, because we have told it that I'm only interested in replacing the first 3. So even though name1 is longer than 3 letters, it only grabs the first 3 and replaces them. Okay. Now let's copy this line 123 and paste it right below and comment line number 123. So line 123 is a comment and line number 124 is the exact copy of 123. So instead of SST, I would like to use substring. Compile it and call it same output. So either of the two functions can be used to deliver the same output. Okay, now let's introduce in the same example another variable by the name name3, character size 10, value Sana. Now we will replace in name2, but starting from position number 18, the next three letters with a value in name3. Save the changes, compile the program, then run the program. Now notice, since I said I only want to replace the three letters, so a new name is born. Now, let's change the name from Sana to Casey. So Casey has more letters than Carl. So now I'm saying that I would like to replace, starting from position 18, the next four. So that means Carl should be replaced with Casey, but let's see how it behaves. Compile it, and we run it. Okay, so we have K's, right? Now, because of 4, it will only going to replace as many letters as you mentioned here. If I replace that 4 with an actual 6, because I have length, it's 30, I'm within 30. And you can see that it allows you to expand.